Cream, you're all dirty. That's as close as you're coming to outside. You're trapped. Keem. Hey, somebody lined all the chairs up. Looks like we're having a reception. Pool lined up next door for the girls this summer. Maybe even be big enough for me. All the outside toys that have to be washed off. It's 64 today and a little bit chilly. These are cute little plants that we don't know the name of, but they get really tall and get a pinkish green flower. This looks like an indoor plant. I don't know what it is. This is the Empress tree. It's 3 years old with missing branches because they hit the house. This was one that Papa was supposed to take home, was half dead, so Ron threw it back here. And I don't think we can't move it now, it's too big. Sky thinks this is Jack and the Beanstalk, so it's staying. It's what I call the poltergeist tree because it's ugly. And someday when we have a hurricane, it's going to fall on the house. One branch, or one piece of it already did fall on our bedroom. It wasn't even a hurricane. And I think we should chop it down. The holly tree that used to be 3 times this size, but Ron cut it because I don't know why, for something to do. The back corner of the yard where he usually plants his garden, but last year he just did mostly flowers. That thing that's tied up is our golden raspberry bush, I guess you'd call it. They're really yummy. This guy just eats them off the bush. This is a little fence thing that Nelson built us for Ron's flowers to lean against. Of course, the flowers aren't here yet. Next month, everything will be much prettier. And the yard next to us is a magnolia tree. That's, I don't know how tall, because I can't judge tall, but there it is. It's way up in the sky. It gets beautiful white flowers that smell great, but if you bring them in the house, the smell is so powerful, it'll make your stomach turn. Peach tree. We had a million peaches on last year and didn't get one because the squirrels and the birds ate them all. It's our crepe myrtle. It's a dark pink around July.